Hello YouTube, Fix Pick and Lock. I don't know if you notice any difference, but I was working on a computer desk, and I've now got a little workbench that I bought. Get back so you can see it. I feel a lot more comfortable working on this. It's given me more room. We've got all this as a working space. I'll show you around it quick. There's some recording lights that I've got. My collection of locks and some old English style locks down there. And I've got loads of them. They're mostly keyed alike. And that's basically how I'm working now. Nice little pillar drill. Yeah. So that's just to bring you up to date. I won't be picking. Well, I haven't picked for a long while. Because I've had a couple of strokes, I'm a bit dodgy with the picking. I don't know. I've got an old lock here. I've picked it before, I think. This is a really easy one. So I'll just pick this quick to show I'm not totally buggered up. There we go. That's that sorted. To pick this, now it was all standard pins in there, but I put some, I can't even remember the name of the frigging pins I put in, spools, that's it. I can't pick it, can't get nowhere near it, and I haven't picked a decent lock for quite a few months now, so that's down to me brains having a stir. But I'm gradually creeping up. I'm still going to do some picks. There's a selection of me chop picks here. I'll make these into various picks. Just bear with me a sec. I have to stretch. These are all ones that I've made out of chop picks, or chopsticks I should say. I've got some heavy ones with some brass tops. And obviously some light ones. So these are all the ones that I'm using at the moment. I've got a set of Saffold picks. I don't use them much. This is one I've used quite a lot. It's got a nice little bend in it there. But diamond is the first pick to go for when I'm picking. That's just a quick update on what I'm doing. I'm going to try and do some more picks of the standard size. I've got some. So I'm going to try and make some picks out of these. Yeah, that's about me. I've noticed that my numbers have started to go down a little bit. I quite expected that, but no fault but my own. So I'll see you until the next one. Let me see now. I'm going to try and do one next week, and I will try really hard to get one out a week. But as I say, it's all down to me my brain. If it tells me I'm not going to pick a pick, it won't. So that's fixed picks. Yeah, I'll catch you on the next one.